Now, if you look at the before, big change here.
Big change.
I don't even remember what we did, but I know, I know it's big change. We had to move that wall. We had to reposition the toilet, which it goes over there now. Standalone tub. And then
one thing that wasn't here was the window.
Definitely the window. That was all brick before, guys. So that's all natural light coming in. It's gonna have a beautiful chandelier. Standalone tub with the wall faucet. And then look at this huge walk-in shower.
We're gonna do quartz here on the top. Quartz, and then frameless shower glass.
Beautiful. And then I love this tile. What is it called again?
This one?
Yeah.
This is a Zellige.
It's beautiful. And then the floors are gonna match the accent. Look how beautiful that is. That is really nice.
I'm glad we did that accent.